Hello everyone. Today is 29 March 2025. Today I wake up at 5 a.m. and now I exercise at 6 a.m. in the morning. Yesterday I sleep at 8:30 p.m. at night.